Hi, what's up everyone? This is Sir Jack here and you are watching Cool Pinoy TV.
Okay guys, what's up? So here's our new vlog for today. So I was wondering how to group all the group chats that I have here in my desktop or in my laptop. So I was trying to search in YouTube and all I found is just a guide to create a shortcut when you are using the mobile phone or the Android phone. But in my case, I am using laptop. So this will be a great tutorial for all of us who are using laptop and desktop to do this, because all of us has a lot of group chats that we created or that we joined, and every time we are going to send information, especially when you are like a teacher, you want to send information to your students, it will take time to find for example, one of the subject I have here is DASA, so I have to find DASA here, then look for it like this one, and then send them information. And then if I go and jump to other section like Volta or Alcaraz, I still also have to type it down here. So it's taking my time, you know. So all I want is to organize them in one place that I'm just gonna click them and I will send them information. So this is what I found, guys. Okay, so I'm using Internet Explorer. I don't know if this is working on other platform or browser, but this one here in Internet Explorer, there's a shortcut here. It says collections. So all I have to do is click this one here. So a while ago I created a collections for teachers. So this time now I want to start new collection. This time I want for student, let's say GC. All right. There you go. So it is already created. So all you have to do is find the GC that you want to organize. So let's say I have DASA group chat for my DASA section. So DASA, this one here, DASA. So all I have to do is right click on this and then add to collection. So I have two collections here created, teachers and the students. So since this is a GC for students, so I'm going to add it to student GC. There you go. So if we're going to check it out, student GC, one moment. Okay, so if we're going to check this out, it's already in here. So let's say you're going to click this link. So there you go. One moment. So it will show up directly the link for that particular GC. So let's add another GC. I have here the Hear Me section, Hear Me for my students. Okay, so Hear Me, I have to find it, it's taking time. So I guess this is the group chat. Hear Me, where's that? Hear Me, this is what I don't like, it's taking ages, so that's why I want to group them. Hear Me, there you go. So once again, all you have to do is right click and then add to collection. So let's choose student GC. There you go. So let's go and check it out. Student GC. What's that? Student GC. So there you go. We already have two links. This one we can just actually delete that. That's just sample. So we already added two groups. So next we are going to add Actually, if you check this out, it looks the same. Alright, so all you have to do is tick on that one, and then it says DASA. Alright, so all you have to do is rename that link. You can right click and then edit, then just type in the name of the group chat. So let's say DASA MIL. Save. There you go. So in this way it will be easier to identify the GC. So this one here, let's edit this one. So this is Hermie MIL GC. Alright, there you go. So it would be easier for us to determine. Next, let's add Sarasola, this one. So if we type in Sarasola, I guess this is the group. So right click again, then add to collection, then student GC. So let's go check it. Where's that? There you go, student GC. So I have a third one, so let's rename it. Sorry, so we're going to rename it DASA MIL. There you go. So I have 3 GC here. So since this is just an example, let's have 3. So every time you want to send information to those GC, all you have to do is go to the collection folder or link, then go to that collection that you have created, then you can just click whichever group chat that you want to communicate. So it won't take long of your time, because you don't need to search it here on the messenger. Okay, so I hope you like our tutorial today and that helps you a lot. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy learning. Bye bye. Thank you.
Wow!